Hey guys, it's Hizzy, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install NBA 2K20 mods. Now let's start off. First of all, you want to go to this website, I'll put it in the description, and download NBA 2K20 external file plugin. Don't know how to say that. You want to press download and it should appear down here. And then go to a cyberface. I'm going to be using Jason Tatum Quarantine Cup by Monkey Man JSV in this video. I'll show you what it will look like at the end of the video. And you want to download it. It should be around the same place that this one was. Next thing you want to do is place the two things you've downloaded on your desktop. Okay. You want to open them. Yeah. And then you want to go to your Steam or wherever your NBA 2K20 install is located. If you're on Steam, this is how you get to it. Press Properties, Local Files, Browse Local Files. This should come up on your screen, and now I've already installed this, but what you want to do is drag these two things into your NBA 2K20 folder or directory and drag it in and let it overwrite whatever it needs to overwrite or install. Once that's in there, go to your downloaded cyberface or your downloaded netmod or whatever you want and drag all these files into the Waigua file, or I don't know how to say it, but you know what I mean. I've already installed quite a lot of mods, and then it should appear in your game once you reload it. If it crashes, then you've downloaded a bad mod or installed something wrong, and if something wrong happens, please leave a comment and I'll teach you guys how to fix it. Thanks for watching. This is Hizzy. Bye.